So finally we are here. Yes, we made it to the Kardungla top. That's the first fall. Good morning. The time is 7:40 and today we are going to Nubra Valley. So we'll be going to Kardungla and Buddha's monastery and then to Nubra Valley, and then we'll be coming back today night itself. That's the plan. If it is late above 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, we'll be staying somewhere. Just for the emergency, we have taken bed rest. Everything is ready. My bike is ready. Ashwin's bike is ready. The only thing is we have to go. That's it. Now we are going. We'll meet on road. Good morning from Leh. We are still in Leh. Getting out of the city from Leh is not that easy because the roads are very narrow. So now we are heading to Kardungla. We did not have our breakfast or anything. We just took a Dimox. So this is the Leh city. That's completely the Leh city. The Leh city is fully covered by mountains. These are the roads of Kardungla. I actually came from there and all, if you can see. Kardungla is another 15 kilometers far away from us. We are in Himalayas. It's cold over here. Oh, it's really very cold. So finally, I'm here at the mighty Kardungla at the altitude of 17,982. Now, let's ask Ashwin how it's feeling. Ashwin, how do you feel?
I feel the best in the world. That's what we are on the top of the world.
So we are on top of the world, the highest motorable roads in the world, the mighty Kardungla. So achieved a dream today. We'll achieve more dreams in the coming days. For your friends also.
You feel anything lost like oxygen? Now it is fine. I was actually feeling low.
So finally we are here. Yes, we made it to the Kardungla top. ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡು ಒಂಚೂರು ಇಡ ಬ್ರೋ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್. You have time, we'll take a video. You have time if I take a video? 1 minute. Anyways, we are coming to Nubra Valley. You can give a video there. No problem. ಅಶ್ವಾ ಬಾ. ಅವ್ರದ್ರ 360 ಐತಿ. 360 ಐತಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳೋನೊಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ. ಅಮ್ಮಾಗ ಅವರು ನುಬ್ರ ಹೊಂಟಾರಂತೆ. ಅಮ್ಮಾಗ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾತು.
ಸೀಸನ್ ಸೋತ್ರು ನಾವು ಅಂಕಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಒಂದೇ, ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದೇ.
Kardungla top, world's highest motorable road. Second right now. Unmingla is the first, but it's still not open, so the Kardungla is still first as of now. Initially I felt a bit suffocated. Was not able to breathe properly, but now it's fine. The dream of every biker is to reach Kardungla, and we made it. Takes Dimox tablet before you leave, so even we took Dimox tablet, but it should be taken 2 to 3 hours before you come over here. just met a Karnataka guy who's riding from Mangalore. His name is Vinay. So even he is riding with us till Nubra Valley, and his plan is to go to Turtuk, which is the last village of India. We don't have that plan because we don't want to go till there and come back again. That's the first fall. No, we'll take front. I guess it won't come. I didn't get hurt. It will not on for 2 minutes. So I fell down from the bike, and this thing has okay. I was going there. Sumanga hogbekit. I thought it is narrow, so I came like this. So that was the first fall from my bike. If I had not worn this knee pads, serious injury would be there now. So nothing has happened to me. Not even a scratch on my body. I just got hit here, that's it. A small bit of it. Except that nothing is wrong. I'll show you what has happened.
Last stop
This is broken. This is broken.
Under next to the
This
kilometer.
This is broken. And this is the scratch is there over here, and some parts of scratch. That's it. They came from Kerala. Every boy's dream is to bring his dad on a trip like this, and he is fulfilling his dad's dream. It's father and son riding all the way from Kerala. They are going to Diskit. It's a monument of Buddha statue over there. So this Buddha is 106 feet. They were saying we can't fly drone over here. I don't know why. I have seen people flying drone over here. We'll park our bikes over here and then we'll go up. We are at this place, Diskit. This is the Buddha's monument. It's 106 feet tall with this view. Let me introduce with the friend whom I met. Yes, bro. Bro, just introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Vinith from Karnataka. I'm basically born and brought up in Mangalore. So I've met these people in Kardungla.
Kardungla top.
Yeah, and from there we have tagged along and we have come to Diskit Monastery.
When I fell from my bike, Vinith bhai helped me a lot.
Eh.
Thank you.
No, it was just a small.
Anyway,
It was a wonderful experience riding with these people.
yeah, same here. So you are riding to Turtuk, right?
Yes, from here I'll be going to Handar and from there Turtur. So I guess you guys will be stopping in Handar.
Don't know. Straight roads with full mountains covered. For the update, we didn't go to Hundur as we need to reach late today itself, so it was very late. And now we'll be passing by Kardungla another time, but it will be very late, I guess, by 6:37. This is the Kardung city. From here it is 20 kilometers. Kardungla top is 20 kilometers and the stretch is very worst. This is the 17-kilometer worst stretch till North Pulu. One of the worst stretch of our ride till today. Don't know, we may get another worst stretch. I met those Kerala people, they were saying it's snowing up there on the Kardungla top, so we'll even get the experience of snow. Wow. But the only thing is cold. We almost did that rough patch in 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, I guess. When we were down it was 5:14 and it's 5:54, so I made it quick and Ashwin also made it quick. I just waited for him for 10 to 15 minutes, was talking to the army people. That thing ran from here to there in front of Ashwin. Okay. This is yak, the famous yak from this part. These are only seen in this part of the region. So this is how the Kardungla top is. Another 10 kilometers for Leh. Finally we are in Leh. When you believe in Google, it will fuck you like hell. Bye. And today will be the last day in Leh. Tomorrow morning we'll be sending all our unwanted, unuseful things back to home.